In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Rimworld Co-op. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to host a multiplayer session in Rimworld, you will need to download a mod. To find this mod, you can go over to the Steam Workshop. So this is going to work if you own Rimworld through Steam. All that you have to do is open the workshop for the game, and you will be able to find the multiplayer mod. You can either do this through the Steam launcher, or just go over to a web browser and find multiplayer. So as you can see, this mod is extremely popular with almost 5,000 ratings, and as the name suggests, this is going to add multiplayer functionality into Rimworld. Play with as many players as you want to, with the recommended being a maximum of 8, and you will be able to create multiple independent player factions, play either cooperatively or competitively, and there is a lot to explore. If you have additional questions, you can join their Discord over here or visit the official website, which is what I recommend. Most questions that you might have, regardless how the game is going to function, are going to be answered there. But to actually use the mod, it's as simple as clicking subscribe. Now, once you open Rimworld, after you have this mod downloaded, you will be able to go into multiplayer and you will find the option to host. One of you who is going to be playing will have to host a session and everyone else is going to join through Steam. The simplest way to join is through Steam itself. So they can just switch over to the Steam tab or press Shift plus Tab, find whoever is hosting, right click, and then join via Steam. There is no matchmaking, so keep that in mind. And you will be able to play as long as the host is on the world. It plays where both players can control the game like their own game, and it is going to affect each other. So both players can pause, speed things up, both players can control pawns and issue orders, and ideally you are going to be playing using voice comms with each other, so you don't cancel orders that they give to their colonists. And this is all you have to do. You will be able to play while each other aren't online, but the host needs to be on the world. So either the host needs to leave the world open, or you need to be the host if you wish to play when everyone else is not online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rimworld Co-op. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!